Oh. Ew. Ew. Oh my god. I'm allergic to something. And I can't figure out what. Ew. Oh my god. Ew. Ew. I'm not used to sneezing this hard though. Like normally they're just like softer, but there's more of them. And whatever's bothering me, but my body just keeps trying to like cram like 10 sneezes in a one. Ow. I said ow, it doesn't hurt. It just and it's low. Now I haven't vacuumed, so it is possible that the dust is getting me, but it's like a new allergy, which I get those a lot, but best during my fits, but like these are like extra bad. Like my eyes have been watering so much even when I'm not actively having a fit. They're just like tearing like crazy. I don't want to knock it over. Or if I'm just hot because this is a workout. Turn the air condition down a little. Oh, because I'm like sweating. But it kind of feels like it's slowing down. And that's what like makes even less sense, because now I don't even know where to begin with figuring out what it is. Because like the pattern makes no sense. Nothing makes sense. I don't know. For right now. This right here before it starts again. And I'm stuck here for ages.